Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. It is a very rainy Saturday morning, so I figured this is a great time to do a take. Today we're going to be tucking into another custom boutique blend, and this is another blend from King Smoking Pipes and Cigars, and once again they are in Minnesota, Forest Lake, Minnesota. And today I am smoking just a nice little Rossi, straight Rossi, little billiard. It is it's a great estate pipe I got off of Etsy. So Noah, what are you smoking today? I am smoking King of Spades, and that is once again from King Smoking Pipes and Cigars. And I will leave a link so you can get in touch with them down below in the bucket. So, King of Spades is listed as an English Aromatic. What? It has Latakia, Virginias, and Orientals with enough gold and black Cavendishes to make this an all-day smoke and a delight to everyone. If you have been watching my channel, you know I am a huge fan of Cavendish-based blends. It's a flavor profile that, well, I really enjoy. Oh, let me get a little, all right, get a little mic check there. I'm charging in a little while. You never know what's going to happen. Tasty blend. Hey, if you're also, like, subscribe, share the videos around. Come back for some gardening videos. Going to have a couple RV videos coming out soon. And I really do appreciate all the subscriptions. I'm well over 600, around 620, 625. And I really appreciate all that. Thank you, everyone. So, almost said Balkan Romani. That was another video. You can check that one out. Oh yeah, I do have a lighter down here. Look at that. On to the book. And I have noticed I'm getting a little long-winded again, so I'm going to try to keep these down. King Smoking Pipes and Cigars, King of Spades, listed as an English Aromatic. And I've smoked it many ways, with my teeth in, my teeth out, through a bunch of pipes. I've been smoking on this blend about a month or so. Actually, looking at my notes, over a month. So, the tin note, it is sweet, bready. I'm thinking the Cavendish is giving us that. I was getting a slight coffee smell and overtones of chocolate and cocoa, which I do believe those two scents, they are different. Cocoa compared to chocolate, to me, they're different smells. The cut was a ribbon, and the color was a typical light to dark browns, and had some blacks in there, because when you have some blacks in there, more likely it's your Cavendish. So, this is what I'm thinking of King of Spades. I was getting Cavendish right out of the gate. Good, sweet, bready taste. Ever so slight Latakia flavor. It's not real heavy. It's not real smoky. I was getting hints of chocolate and cocoa. It has a very nice aftertaste. Further down, and some slight smoky, spicy flavor was coming out. I was getting a slight burn on the retrohale, but I seem to get that on everything. I said if you like a good Cavendish base blend, you will enjoy this. I do. So this blend hits me just right. It's a great Sunday afternoon smoke. It's a simple, smooth, mellow blend. Very good. Another day, I said definitely a great Cavendish-based blend. An easy all-day smoke. In the same family of Northwoods and Sultan's blend. I really like the sweetness. It's balanced out with the Latakia. So it's not real, if you're thinking of getting into some Englishes, but you feel that might be too heavy for your palate, or you're a little nervous of what you're going to get. definitely give King of Spades a try. Now, it's saying an aromatic. I'm not sure where they get the, you know, if there's like a little topping or a casing on it. I'm not sure. But to me, this blend's right in my wheelhouse. It's that Cavendish base. It has that Northwoods feel to it, Sultan's blend. And I'm coming to find, as my smoking journey progresses, that is that's my style that I really enjoy. Excuse me. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, it's pouring down the rain. We got thunder, we got wind. I have my one dog on my bed because she's very thunderstruck. So I'm having a coffee, I'm having a pipe, and I'm getting ready to do some gardening, inside gardening. I'm going to prick out my pepper plants, repot them, if you will. They're little seedlings now. We're going to step them up into some bigger cells. Just letting you know what I'm doing. But all around, this is a very good blend. To me, it's not the caliber of other blends I've mentioned in that vein, but definitely something I wouldn't mind having on the shelf. A couple ounces, it's good to rotate into. It's a little more mellow than, say, Northwoods or Sultan's blend and some other blends in that vein, but still, it's a very, very solid blend. I enjoyed it. I've been smoking, oh, I'm getting down there. I'm about, you know, let's see if I can, yeah, nope. It still does not want to focus in on me. But I want to try to keep these videos a little down low. So from the bench, I'm giving it 3 matchsticks. And that's because I'm not going to chase after this blend, but I wouldn't mind having this blend around. I do enjoy it. It has great flavor, great tin note, and it has a really nice room note. And I did enjoy this blend. The next 2 blends I have coming up from King's, which will be probably in a couple months, are the Frog Morton clones. So I'm very excited to tuck into them guys. But that'll be for some future stuff. Because like I said, I buy 4 blends from brick and mortar or from a personal blender, what have you. And I like to smoke a couple, do a couple takes, and then move on to the next and then rotate it. So I'm not doing, you know, 2 months of just one company's blend, so to speak. But hey, from the bench, this is Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.